Hi guys, so I'm Melissa from Alikay Naturals and I work in production and I work in the warehouse also. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the products. I'm a curly, so we're going to do curly hair today. So we're going to do a lock method. We're going to use the lemongrass. We're going to use the glazed argan oil. It's one of my new favorite products that I was sleeping on before. I was not using. And we're going to use the dulce. Okay, I'm going to start with my hair like this. My hair, I've done nothing to it. It's just literally pulled up and a little bit of edges as you can see, but I've done nothing to it. So we're gonna start completely fresh. This is not washed hair. This is just like halfway through the week. Out of bed hair, yeah. Totally out of bed hair, put up in a ponytail. So we're gonna start with a little bit of water. I'm just gonna show you guys how this Alikay products, these natural products, just enhance your curls. So I'm gonna use the lemongrass. So I just use my fingers just to kind of finger comb through before I actually use a wide tooth comb. Lemongrass I'm using, it first of all, it smells amazing. Like, you just want to eat it. You don't even want to put it in your hair. As you can see, the lemongrass though is enhancing my curls. It's giving it some definition just from spraying and combing. So you can see this side compared to this side. So once I'm done with the lemongrass, I'm gonna use, like I said, my favorite new product that's I've been sleeping on. It's the glazed argan oil. And this is gonna give your hair so much shine and so much, like, you can see my hair is like bleached. So the bleach has killed off my hair. With this oil, it just makes it so shiny. It takes away like the frizz. You're gonna see the difference. So I just used 2 pumps to start with. I'm just gonna evenly distribute it through your hair. You want all of your hair to get a little bit of it. And as I finger comb, I'm gonna scrunch because you want to get your curls. And then we're gonna move on to the dulce. Dulce! So we'll start with this bunch. It's like 2 pumps. Dulce, I love dulce just because, how do I explain to you guys? It just forms your curls. Like, it defines them really nicely. And it's not like a gel or anything, so it's not gonna make your hair hard. And it smells amazing. Just like all of our Alikay products. They all smell so amazing. You guys can just see it. It separates the hair. Separates the hair and forms the curl for you. Just like that. All of these products, they're gonna leave your hair full of moisture and shine and take away like all that frizz. Like, I'm sure you guys can see the difference already. Look at this. Compare to this. You guys can see already what a difference this has made. So now I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, so this is the final result, you guys, of our lock method. So my hair feels so soft now. It's soft, it's full of moisture, it's shiny. I'm sure you guys can see the difference of how shiny it is. It smells amazing. It's really light. And when this dries even more, you're gonna see even the curls pop even more. So the other product that you can use besides the lemongrass is the Wake Me Up. I would use this in between the week, just as when you're getting up, first product to use is the Wake Me Up to make your curls pop. This is my favorite product. I use this every day to start my day. It smells really good. It leaves your hair super curly, moisturized, and ready to go. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my video. You guys gotta check out our Alikay website and get some of these products. And I'll see you guys again. Bye!